Shorncliffe Army Camp is a large military camp near Cheriton in Kent. History: the camp was established in 1794 when the British Army bought over 229 acres of land at Shorncliffe. It was then extended in 1796 and 1806. It was at Shorncliffe that in 1803 Sir John Moore trained the Light Division which fought under the Duke of Wellington in the Napoleonic Wars. Shorncliffe was used as a staging post for troops destined for the Western Front during World War I, and in April 1915 a Canadian training division was formed there. The Canadian Army Medical Corps had general hospitals based at Shorncliffe from September 1917 to December 1918. The camp at the time composed 5 unit lines known as Ross Barracks, Somerset Barracks, Napier Barracks, Moore Barracks and Risborough Barracks. On 3 occasions there were German air raids which killed soldiers on the camp. During World War II, Shorncliffe was again used as a staging post and Queen Mary visited the camp in 1939. After the war the camp was known as the Sir John Moore Barracks, and from 1967 it was home to the Junior Infantrymen's Battalion and later, the Infantry Junior Leaders Battalion until the dissolution of junior soldier recruitment in 1991. The barracks were then used by regular infantry battalions. When the light infantry moved out in October 1986, the name was retained. At the same time, a new Sir John Moore Barracks was established in Winchester. Currently, Sir John Moore Barracks, Shorncliffe is home to the Royal Gurkha Rifles. Shorncliffe Camp was also the home of 2 Brigade until January 2015. Shorncliffe Military Cemetery. The Shorncliffe Military Cemetery serving the camp is also property of the Ministry of Defence. 3 Victoria Cross recipients are buried here. Private Patrick McHale, Royal Artillery, Indian Mutiny. Sergeant Joseph Charles Brennan, 5th Regiment of Foot, Indian Mutiny. Private John Dugan, King's Dragoon Guards, First Boer War. It contains more than 600 Commonwealth war graves from the World Wars. There are 471 from World War I, including more than 300 Canadians, and 6 members of the Chinese Labour Corps. There are buried 81 from World War II, including 1 unidentified British soldier and a Polish war grave. A screen wall memorial lists 18 Belgian soldiers who were originally buried in a now demolished mausoleum.